Hi, I'm recording this to help faculty get on to Screencast-O-Matic. So in Google Screencast-O-Matic. So Screencast-O-Matic is a free program for doing what I'm doing now. So you can start recording for free. You will also want to set up an account. Video editing costs extra, and you might not want to do that until we figure out how you would be reimbursed for that. When you have an account, it looks something like this. Now I got the editing account because I figure I'm going to be using it a lot. It costs like $40-something. I'm going to try and get reimbursed later. So when you record a video, then you publish it. You can embed it into your Blackboard course, or you can load it up to, you can load it into YouTube. So let's go to my email account. Right, so in your email, in this resources box, there is, because you have a college Gmail account, you already have a YouTube account. Where is it? So just recently. Ah, there it is. So yeah. So if you go to YouTube, you get your channel on YouTube, stuff you like to watch. And pay no attention to my proclivities. Now, what you need to do in YouTube is get to the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is where you work with the things you're going to put on YouTube. So if you go into, so you have your channel. The channel is what is your stuff and the stuff you like to watch. The studio is where you actually manipulate stuff. So I go to my list of videos. Right, that's where my videos are. And I would upload to here. And for example, this is another version of the video I did. And you copy the address, and then you can send it to other people by giving them that address. You can put it in Blackboard. Let's go to Blackboard and do that. So in Blackboard, right, these are videos I've already put into Blackboard. So under Documents, I'm building content, and I'm building content by putting in YouTube videos. So if I put in an address there, okay, so right, so if I get an address, And then in Blackboard, I can put in that address. And then I can select my video. That's probably a little weird because I've already put that one in. Let me, can I select it? Okay, yeah, I've selected it. And then I would just submit it. But I'm not going to do that again because I've already submitted that one. Right. You can decide how you want to put it into your Blackboard documents.